So today I am doing another what I eat in a day video. I am so excited to do this because y'all request this so goddamn much. Like, I mean, every single time I post a video, there are so many comments that are like, do another what I eat in a day video. Girl, why are you not doing a what I eat in a day video? I need healthy recipes! Plus a little sprinkle of like, she's ugly, her eyes are fake, take out her contacts. Too much makeup! I'm joking. By the way, everyone who's saying that I have contacts, these are my real eyes. You should see my granddad's eyes. His eyes are crazy. That I'm like, okay, I have to give the people what they want. If they want another what I eat in a day video, then I guess they get another what I eat in a day video. But yeah, no, honestly, I just love these videos and I love to give you guys advice on how to lose weight. So if you're brand new and you're just randomly popping on this video, I used to be quite overweight. Not really that overweight, but I was getting to the point where it was like a scary kind of overweight. Like if I kept eating how I did, I don't even know what I would be like right now. This was about like 6 years ago, maybe, oh my god, it's almost gonna be 7. 6 years ago, it's gonna be 7 next year. Whoa. I'm gonna be showing you guys my insanely delicious yet healthy food that you guys can use for your weight loss. I know I'm not losing weight right now, so you're probably like, girl, stop clickbaiting us. No. I still eat like that today. I eat completely different from how I used to. Oh shit, someone coming out. Hold up. That's awkward. Ugh. Oh, if I just had this little thing in the background the whole time. Come on, man. So for breakfast today, I'm going to be making spicy extra eggs. I have not had this for, I don't even know, a year and a half. And I used to eat this every single day. I don't give a f about my cholesterol. I eat eggs every single day. When I was losing weight, years afterwards, it's the best meal ever. It's spicy, it has eggs, it has avocado. It's just, it's so good. And I've only just recently stopped eating it. I think it's just because I got really lazy, because it is a little bit of a time consumer to put together and put right. So for this breakfast, you're gonna need some Tabasco. Girl, I haven't had it in so long. I'm so excited. Like, my mouth is literally salivating right now. You're also gonna need some baby plum tomatoes, some eggs, obviously, an avocado, and some spinach. Okay, sorry, it's kind of dirty in here and I just cleaned these. But the first step that you're gonna do, boil up those eggs, girl. Oh, by the way, I just want to mention, this is actually pre-filmed, so I don't know if all my decorations are different in the house. This was filmed in January. Wait, what? This was filmed in November, literally like a couple days before Vlogmas started. We've time traveled to the past. So I'm actually gonna have 3 eggs today because I'm really hungry. Okay, I think that's good. Actually, maybe one more. Pop this boy on, put him on low heat. Get your olive oil. So while we're waiting for those things to cook, we're now going to make our coffee because that is the most important step. I don't even care if it's unhealthy. I told myself when I lost weight that if I couldn't have my coffee every morning with a bunch of sugar, then I don't want to be slim. You know why, people? Because life is too short and I'm not going to take away my love for sugary vanilla coffee just to be like 5 pounds slimmer. Sorry, I'm not about that life. So I have a very sugary coffee. I'll show you how I make it. Probably recommend you don't do this if you want to lose weight, but I mean, that's my motto in life. We use the Colombian roast ground coffee from Asda. It's pretty good. I mean, it's no Tim Hortons, but it's pretty good. So once you've poured out all of the hot water, I always like to put cold water and let it sit while I prepare everything else. Still gotta cook the spinach. I'm just gonna lightly move these little tomatoes over. They're hot. Une petite olive oil. What do you call this in French? Do Google Translate. Les épinards dans le casserole. I'm sorry. If you're from France, I'm really sorry. If anyone comes for me, I'm part French. If anyone didn't know that. So this is the most important step. If you don't put in this extra effort, don't make extra eggs. So you have to cut them into little pieces. You're gonna take your avocado and put them on top of the eggs. And now for the best part. Oh yeah. My mood's changed, guys, because I'm actually getting so hyped to eat this meal. So now, before we even eat that, I'm gonna just finish making my coffee. If you live in a country where you can't get French vanilla, aka me, I live in England right now, I recommend the vanilla soy drink, which is absolutely delicious. So I pop that in there, and I do 2 big scoops. And then for my fruit today, I'm gonna have blueberries and banana. So here is my breakfast. Oh my god, I am so excited to try that. It's really good. That's actually so f***ing good. You are going to impress people if you make this for them. Like, imagine taking a girl home or a boy and you're like, how do I get him to call me back? You make him this, I guarantee you he's gonna be like, I gotta text her back. I gotta call her again because I need some more spicy extra eggs. Thank me later. I'm gonna see if I can take out Carl. Hey buddy, wanna come out? Oh, it does!
I don't. I'm just cleaning the window.
Oh no, not on the bun. Not on the bun. Ah, Carl, no. Carl. Oh, Carl. I love saying his name like that. Carl. Have it be Curl. Hey, Curl.
How about I curl my fist into your face?
You're so cute. Carl.
That's what you get.
Okay, guys. Sorry, the lighting is weird as always, but I'm now gonna make myself some lunch. It is 1:30. Don't worry, I'm a functioning adult. I'm ready to go out, but I'm just super cozy in this bathrobe, so I'm just wearing it for this part of the clip. Because afterwards, I'm gonna go out and do some errands. I'm just gonna show you my... That scared me. I'm leaning on the stove. I almost set myself on fire. For lunch, I don't really like to cook. I don't like to cook at all. I just want something really quick, simple. So normally I'll have like a sandwich if I'm going out to work or volunteer, or I will have some soup, which I'm going to have today. So the soup that I've been recently loving is from Asda. It's Amy's Kitchen. It's the organic French country vegetable soup. I don't know what's in here, but it just tastes really good. We gonna cook some soup today. And it's gluten-free. I didn't know it's gluten-free. Interesting. Ah, my nail. I don't even have long nails, but I always have to use something to open these. Ah. Oh my god, that smells so good. While that's doing its thing, I'm also gonna get some breads. Just one piece though. Whoa! There you go. See? Less than 2 minutes, girl. Less than 2 minutes. And look at that. We have a nice, hearty French country lunch. Then I'm going to take my side plate. Put this bad boy on. Oh, maybe a little bit more. No butter. Mamma mia. Voila. I gotta learn my Italian again, y'all. And here's my lunch. Oh, look at the steam coming off of that. Ooh, this looks sad, doesn't it? It's really hot, hot, hot. Hot. Okay, well, I'm gonna eat my lunch, go do my errands, and I'll see you guys for snack time. I'm back from doing errands now, and I am just so tired. Whenever it gets to around like 2, 3, 4, like during the midday, I just want to take a nap. But I have stuff to do on my laptop, so I can't really take a nap. I mean, I could, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna be good. I'm actually gonna make myself a little snack. Ooh, I see the walnuts. I can't grab them. Hold up. Short people problems. So yeah, I'm gonna be having myself some walnuts, some tea, get that boiling. I always love to put it in this little reindeer cup. I gotta just make the most of this cup as I can because it's not gonna be socially acceptable to really use it other than Christmas time. So I think I'm gonna put in this one. How crazy is that? I thought it was 7 o'clock. It's actually almost 8. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna be cooking my favorite dinner, which is salmon, rice, avocado, plum tomatoes, and asparagus. And I'm pretty sure if you've been watching me for a while, you guys are gonna be sick of me showing you this meal. But I'm just showing you what I'm eating today, and that's what I really wanna eat. So to make this dish, you're gonna need some baby plum tomatoes, an avocado, asparagus, rice, and salmon. I would recommend to use whole wheat or whole grain, whatever you call it, instead of this, but I just prefer this, so that's why I use it. But if you want to be super healthy, get the whole grain. So as a little appetizer, I'm gonna make some prosciutto, pepperoni, and mozzarella. Be hard with one hand. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Uh-oh. Hey, Carl. Oh, he's getting ready, Pooh. Look, he's getting comfortable.
Don't get comfy or something.
When chameleons let you know they're ready to go to bed, they cuddle up and their tail starts to curl. So for some reason, whenever we spray him at nighttime, he always goes up to this glass and wants to go to bed. Carl, you can't go to bed here.
Watch me.
This actually looks ready, I would say. Essentially, you kind of want to turn this into like a big goop because then it becomes like your sauce for the rice. The trick to this meal is to just keep adding a lot of salt because then it's going to taste amazing. So this is our appetizer, and then this looks really ugly, but I promise it tastes really good. What do Italian people say before they eat something?
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go eat this now, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas. Again, I don't know which day I'm posting this, so I would say the day, but I'll see you tomorrow. It doesn't really look appetizing with a snake in the background, does it?
No.
Hey guys, look at my meal. Meanwhile, Waffles is trying to get out. I completely forgot about dessert.